Class 7 Maths Chapter 15 Perimeter and Area. What is perimeter? Perimeter. The word perimeter is derived from the word peri, which means around, and meter, which means measure. Thus, perimeter is the distance around a closed figure. What does it means? कि अगर आप कोई भी एक क्लोज्ड फिगर लेते हो, आपको उस कंप्लीट क्लोज्ड फिगर के अराउंड जितना भी डिस्टेंस है, अगर उसे आप मेजर करोगे, उसको हम क्या नाम देते हैं? पेरीमीटर. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस सम फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ पेरीमीटर. Perimeter is, in simple words, perimeter is also known as sum of all the sides. Perimeter of a square. Suppose A, B, C, D is a square having side A. That is स्क्वायर है जिसकी साइड क्या है हमारे पास? A सेंटीमीटर. तो पेरीमीटर विल बी सम ऑफ ऑल साइड, दैट इज A प्लस A प्लस A प्लस A, विच इज इक्वल टू 4A. दैट मीन्स 4 इंटू साइड. दस पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर इज 4 इंटू साइड. नेक्स्ट, पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल. लेट A, B, C, D be a rectangle whose length is L and breadth is B. Now perimeter, I said perimeter means that sum of all the sides. So we will sum AB, that is L, plus B plus L plus B, which is equal to 2L plus 2B. Taking 2 common, we will get 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Hence perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Next is perimeter of a triangle. Let A, B, C is a triangle. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. So A, perimeter will be A plus B plus C, which is equal to sum of all the sides. Next definition is, what is area? A closed shape occupies some surface on a plane. The part of surface enclosed within the circle closed shape is called its area. Suppose ये कोई closed shape है, हमारे पास ये triangle है, इसके अंदर जितना भी surface है उसको अगर हम measure करेंगे तो उस surface के measure को क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? area. Now formulas for some areas. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of square is equal to side into side. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Area of parallelogram. Let us consider a parallelogram A, B, C, D. We have divided this parallelogram into 2 triangles, ADB and DBC. DE is the height of triangle ADB and BF is the height of triangle BDC. Now area of parallelogram will be equal to area of triangle ADB plus area of triangle DBC. That is area of triangle ABD. That is area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Now area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. For triangle ABD, base is AB and height is DE. Similarly for triangle BDC, base is CD and height is BF. So area of triangle is equal to half into AB into DF plus half into DC into BF. Value of AB is B and value of DF is H. So half into base into height plus half into base into height, which is equal to 2 into half into base into height. We will cancel 2 from 2 and we will get base into height. Using these formulas, we will start exercise 15.1. The first question is, the perimeter of square is 64 centimeter. Find its area.